Did you hear about the cornstalk that changed careers?
I didn't.
He went in a different field.
Giancarlo, can you believe we're on episode 12 already?
Time flies when you're cooking and eating up a storm.
Get ready to eat more today because we're going to be cooking and eating popcorn. My favorite.
Ours too!
Vince's Own Popcorn comes in 9 different flavors. It's made in our Vince's commissary in the Uxbridge location multiple times a week. The 9 flavors include movie-style popcorn, caramel, chocolate caramel mix, Chicago mix, which is orange cheddar and caramel, orange cheese, white cheddar, dill pickle, salt and vinegar, and garlic parmesan.
Ooh, I love dill pickle Vince's Own Popcorn.
And I like cheddar cheese popcorn. And I love the movie style popcorn.
I love the Chicago mix. The sweet and salty combo really pops.
Speaking of popping, I love making my own popcorn.
On the stove is easier than you think. All you need is 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a half cup of kernels. Let the oil heat up at medium-high and put 2 kernels in to test when the oil is at the perfect popping point. Once those kernels pop, add the half cup to the pot and shake the pot so none of the kernels burn.
Just plain popcorn? I think you can do better than that.
Tilt the lid so it's slightly open to release the steam to avoid the popcorn from getting soggy. Once your popcorn is finished popping, feel free to add butter, salt, pepper, or any of your favorite seasonings.
I personally love a little truffle oil on mine and Parmesan.
Can we try it out or are you all popcorned out?
No way, for me, I really like corn.
It's corn! A big lump nut! It has juice and has the juice. I guess it matters the more with the whole thing. It's corn! I can tell you all about it. I mean, look at this thing! When I tried it with butter, everything changed.
My secret trick, actually not mine, Tim's.
Timbo?
Yes. You put your popcorn in your bowl, so not everybody has to have the same seasoning. You take another empty bowl, and we're gonna put some truffle oil in this empty bowl. And then what you're gonna do is pop this bowl. I'm gonna try and do this as gracefully as possible.
Got it.
On top of this one. And then you shake, and you can go back and forth. And this way you can just make sure that the entire bowl of popcorn is getting coated evenly.
Should we throw a little Parmesan in there?
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh, I like it cheesy.
Yeah. Back to shaking. All right.
Let's try it.
Let's try
Moment
it.
of truth. Delicious. Good job.
So good. All right, Giancarlo. Any other corny jokes you'd like to make before we sign off?
Well, actually, I do. I have a few right here.
You picked the worst ones.
I think they're pretty good. I was once in a corn maze. I felt like I was being stalked. I don't really like corn jokes. I find them difficult to digest.
Alrighty then, I'd say we're done here.
That was a great episode.
Yes, thanks.
Thanks. Dance party!